All right, everybody, girls and boys, let's gather around the campfire. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't want to see any of you guys intermingling. No hugging, no touching, no hand holding, no saliva mixing. That's not allowed here. But I'm going to show all of you hungry entrepreneurs something crazy, something insanely powerful to all of your little businesses. Because if this is something you're not doing right now, you are literally throwing money away. So I'm going to show all of you how to make an extra Andrew Jackson, an extra 20 schmackaroony doonies from every single customer that buys on your website. And all you have to do to learn this, scroll down under this video and click that like button. I just need that like. And once I get it, we'll share that strategy. I'm waiting. Alright, now that you've done that, my name is Ethan Dobbins if you're new around here, and I gotta admit, the channel is growing steadily. It's a little, fast rise, and I'm really just excited to be able to teach, thousands of people how to improve their dropshipping business. So if you're new around here, thank you for joining me on this amazing journey, and today you're gonna learn the perfect upsell strategy if you are a beginner. So this is gonna be very cost-efficient ways to make an extra $1,000 to $2,000 every single month with your business by increasing the average order value.
So enough dilly-dallying, Batman. Let's go!
Have you ever been on a long road trip and you're 4 to 5 hours in and you're on the highway and your stomach is literally just eating itself? It's that hungry and you haven't put anything into it besides Pringles and chips and stuff like that, and you're like, I need to get some actual food. So you stop off on one of the exits, and when you're pulling up, you notice, oh my god, it's just fast food restaurants. It's Taco Bell, ugh, it's Burger King, ugh. And then you see those golden arches and you're like, you know what? At least it's not Burger King. So you pull up to the McDonald's little drive-in, and while you're ordering from your car and you're getting your 10-piece McNuggets, the best meal and the only meal you should be getting, you shouldn't be ordering anything else, the person at the drive-thru always says,
would you like to add some extra fries or an apple pie for $1?
I hope that sounded right. But yeah, basically they always upsell you something else. It doesn't matter what you order. They'll always say, would you like to supersize it? Would you like to add a drink? Would you like to add fries? Would you like to add an apple pie for $1? I mean, McDonald's is just hammering you with a ton of different products that they're selling. So the real reason why they do this, why do they actually do it? Well, it's because they're making more money from every single customer, because they know if they can squeeze an extra $1 or $2 out of you, that's a huge difference, because millions of people order every single day from McDonald's, and that doesn't sound like it should be the case, but it is. People love McDonald's. So when you're approaching your own business, that should be your mentality. How do I squeeze out an extra $1, $5, $10 from every single customer? Because then you can use that added money onto your advertising and actually scale your business. Like, you don't realize how big an extra 10% or 20% average order value is to most e-com brands. Because if you're really scaling, an extra 10% can be 10 grand, 50 grand, 100 grand of extra value to your business. So you have to be doing upsells. This isn't just a want or it's a little suggestion I'm making. This is something you have to have. It's a need. So if you don't have your upsells set up, please do after watching this video. So let's get into the Shopify aspect of this. So when we're applying this to our actual store, I'm just going to use Pamont.org as an example. This is one of my own stores that I built for a course of mine. I'm not really driving any traffic. I use it for examples. But as you can see right here, we're on this safeguard campaign. So basically what happens when you're on this product page, you click add to cart and add the safeguard to your order and save 45% off. That's not too shabby. So in this case, I actually have it set up weird. I think it's over 50% off, but we'll change the wording and I'll show you the actual app that lets you do this. So this app right here is called Candy Rack One-Click Upsell. So I haven't really drove much traffic, but it's already got me $165 in sales, which isn't too bad. The take rate's 2%, and I would aim for about 10 to 12%. I haven't been split testing, and you should always be split testing your offers, the discount, the wording, all of that stuff when you're actually driving traffic. But let's take a look at it. So I believe it's this one right here. Yeah, so add the safeguard to your order. So the cool thing with this app is it's very customizable. So as you can see right here, we can do $30 off. We can do a percentage off, so 45%, just like that, and it's $29.70. You can change the name of the discount code, so Safeguard 45 is what I've decided to do. So that's customizable, and basically whenever someone just adds I believe you can set it down here. So if anyone adds any sort of pendant to their order, they're gonna get this upsell right here of a safeguard campaign. Sorry, another safeguard product. So let's refresh right now, and I'll show you how it actually applies. All right, so I got it configured right now. So add the safeguard to your order, save 45% off. We have the 45% off discount code, and this is what's gonna be applied to the checkout, the little candy rack thing. So if we add any pendant, this will show up. So let's go to the grenade, you know, some middle, like some sort of Call of Duty, Modern Warfare. So we're gonna add this to our cart right now. And as you can see, cool, we got our offer, that's all good. So when they do add this upsell to their order and we press continue, we go to checkout, let's watch the magic. What's gonna happen? I'm scared. And boom, shakalaka, we saved 24 schmackers right there. And really for us as the, you know, store owner, we're making more money because we're selling more products. So that's a great offer right there. And obviously, getting back into Candy Rack, maybe you're saying to yourself, I can't upsell 45% off. That's a little too much because of my margins. So yes, I'm aware that with my products, I have really good margins. So I can afford to do offers of 40% off and 50% off. But let's say you have a product that doesn't have the best margins, only do 10% off or 15% off or 20% off. Do something that actually you still have a good healthy margin on. And by good healthy margin, I mean at least you're making $12 to $15 after they get that added order. So yeah, like I said, you want to make sure that you maintain a healthy margin. So with this product, even though I'm selling it for only 30 bucks with the 45% off, I'm still making over $20 per sale because necklaces are very cheap. So you have to know your margins with your product. So if you're only making a $20 margin, just do a 10% off, 15% off, 20% off, just so that you're maintaining at least $12 per sale. So you can customize that right here in the amount off, discount code, all that stuff. But there's actually some other cool stuff you can do with your upsells with Candy Rack. So I'm just going to show you them because they're actually really, really dope. So first off, you can do a smart upsell. So you can let the AI sort of do some split testing and figure out what's sort of the best upsell. You can do gift packaging if you offer that, so custom packaging. You can do a gift note. So this is great for, you know, if you're selling a product that's, you know, for like a lover, for that special person in your life. So you can have a custom note that's like, I love you, babe. Oh, you're so cute. You're my whole world. I couldn't survive without you. Some, you know, really gross stuff like that. You can also do an extended warranty. So this is something you can actually apply to any single product. I would recommend that you actually do this. So just like a 12-month warranty. So you can select this, you can customize the warranty, you can customize the badge, whatever it is that it says. So extended warranty by 12 months or 2 months, 3 months, whatever you want to say. So stay worry-free almost forever. So I mean, this is just something you have to have. So I would do one depending on the price of your product. So I would do about 10% of the cost of the product. So I'm selling a product that's 60 bucks, so I would do it for $5.99. If you're selling a product that's only 20, I would do $1.99, $2.99, somewhere around there. So save, and then basically what happens is you can apply that to every single upsell, so that when someone does click add to cart, they don't just get the product upsell, they also get upsell the warranty as well. So let's see if that does show up. Boom, shakalaka, extended warranty. So guys, you just got to think of new ways to make more money, because let's face it, when you are running your own e-commerce business and someone's unhappy within a month or two, they're going to ask for a refund, and you're going to be a good person and actually give them a refund. So why not give them a 2-month warranty, make that extra $6, and if they don't want to refund it or don't want to actually use the warranty, then boom, you just made an extra $6. Premium email support is not one that I've ever used before. I mean, maybe some people will take that for like $1.99 or 99 cents. Again, if you can squeeze another dollar out, fucking do it. Like, I don't see why you wouldn't. Mystery product, now this is one I really want to try out with one of my stores, just to do, because I've seen so many clothing stores do sort of offers where it's like, hey, for 10 bucks a month, we'll send you a sort of a weird custom shirt. You won't know what it is. It's a mystery product, but for only 10 bucks. And so many people buy that. So I'm thinking, if you're selling clothing, necklaces, jewelry, accessories, whatever it is, and it makes sense to do something like this, a mystery product, a mystery variation, do it. Because these sell so freaking well. So I'm thinking of doing this on one of my own stores for about 30 bucks. They can get another sort of chain, pendant, ring, whatever it is. I think that's such an amazing offer. So obviously you have to be able to fulfill that and, realize, okay, somebody ordered the mystery product, let's, add another shirt, whatever it is that you're selling to their order. But that's such a great offer. You can also do first in line, so faster shipping if that's something you do offer with your supplier. Custom service, I've never really touched those, but this app is it's a must. It's $9.99 a month, and if you can make an extra sale, then you paid it off and more. And that's how you have to think of it with every single investment when it comes to your business. Coaching, apps, advertising, influencers. You have to be thinking from that frame of mind. Will it pay itself off? Will I see a return from it? And if the answer is yes, then you pay the money. It doesn't matter what the price is. It could be $1, $100, $1,000. If you feel like you can make more money by investing into something, you do it. No questions asked. But does the selling stop after they pull out their credit card, they go to checkout and buy? No. We always got to be selling. Remember McDonald's, everybody. So now we have Zipify one-click upsell. So this is like the power duo. It's Candy Rack and it's Zipify. So you got to have both of these set up on your store. And really, if you don't, you're just leaving money on the table and you are not a good entrepreneur. But after watching this video, I know you're going to get both of these apps. So Zipify, I believe, is $69 a month, something like that. Pretty nice. It's really easy to install as well. I'll show you some of my offers. It's made $5.11 back, and I've probably ran like maybe $100 in ad spend to this store. Really haven't done much with it. So let's check out the offer. So basically I had this Bolt upsell, 18% conversion rate. So let's check that out and let's see what I did there. So we're gonna edit funnel. So basically whenever someone buys the Bolt pendant, they get another upsell of the same exact product, and it's converting at 14%. So let's take a look at that actual offer page. So when someone buys it, I always usually upsell the same exact product. I don't know why, but that tends to be the best offer. I know everyone says you should do a complimentary product, but I've been testing for 2 years now, and every single time upselling the same product works better. I don't know what it is, but people always want to buy more of something they've already bought once. So there you go. That's just a quick little tip. So I just said thank you for your order. Here's a gift from us. Wait, your order is not yet complete. Add another Bolt pendant and receive an incredible 50% off. So you can use that exact framework with your own offers. I have no problem with that. Just give your boy a little bit of credit. So $24.50, really simple. And then I have this little sort of condescending, if they don't take the offer, it says no thanks. I'm fine with losing this amazing deal. That condescending wording really gets people to buy. I don't know what it is. And then finally, we have this other offer, which I believe some people have taken as well. So this is a downsell. So basically, I am upselling the Bolt at 50% off. So basically what would happen is someone buys the Bolt for 50 bucks. They go, and once they pay, they get that offer for 50% off, so they can add another one for $24.95. And if they don't take that, then we give them another offer for $19.60. So if they really want to buy another one, I'm giving them all the opportunities in the world to get another one. So if they like 2 different colors, they were like, oh, the black one was cool, but I also like the gold, then they're going to do it every single day of the week. And I don't really have another post-purchase upsell offer, but I would recommend, after upselling the same product, definitely upsell a complementary product right here. So if you have something that definitely sort of goes along with that first product, that's where you would do it, at post-purchase upsell offer number 2. So you just create your new offer page, you would select whatever product it is, maybe it's this, ring, blah, 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 and then you just customize the messaging a little bit so that it actually makes sense and people feel like they need to take this offer. So as you can see right here, it's really easy to use. So we're just gonna go left side, so we got the little image carousel. We'll go down to offer. This is where you should be spending most of your time. So charge for shipping, I usually do free shipping. Discount percentage, I'll do 40% off. Just like that, really simple. Here's a special one-time offer, content, let's go down here. So thank you for your order, that's totally fine. I mean, you can do thank you for your order from the Pamont family, because that's the name of the brand, from the Pamont family. So again, you can just customize it to your heart's content, whatever you want to do. Here's a special one-time offer, and then boom. It's pretty much already done for you. It's really simple. So you can do it just like that. And again, I would always recommend split testing different offers, split testing different price points, different wording, and just see what works the best, because usually your first offer isn't going to be the best, so you have to be split testing. All right, boys and girls, you can now leave the campfire because you have just learned how to make an extra 20 schmackers from every single customer that buys on your website by selling them before they order and after they order with more products. So really the general sort of message of this video is you have to be selling constantly. There's never too much selling, because I know some people are afraid to sell after someone purchases. They're like, oh, I got the order, that's all I needed. But the reality is, if you want to scale your business, upsells are not just a want, they're a freaking need. Now, obviously, learning how to upsell is great, but there's obviously a few steps before that that you have to get right before getting to upsells. Like, hey, what are you going to sell? What's the niche of your business? How do I brand it properly? How do I even get started as a beginner? How do I build a trustworthy website? And how do I find a winning product that people will go crazy after? And if you don't have the answer to that question, then I would recommend getting some coaching, joining a program, because you're not going to learn these answers on YouTube for free. That's just the reality of business. That's how the world works. So if you want more advanced information that you can actually use to execute and build a profitable e-commerce business that makes you money every single day, all you have to do is DM me the word ecom on Instagram, and I'll give you all the details on my coaching/course program, which frankly has helped over 10 plus people build $1,000 a day businesses, just like my student Malika, who actually broke $3,000 a day with her wine glass business. So if you want to learn exactly what she's been doing and the coaching she's been getting from me to build that $3,000 a day business as a complete beginner, all you have to do, DM me the word ecom on Instagram and I'll get you some more details. But my name is Ethan Dobbins, and that is going to do it for today's video. Again, if you guys enjoyed, feel free to leave a like, comment down below what you want to see next on this channel, because frankly, your boy's got an endless amount of information up here that I'm willing to share with you completely for free. I got no problem with that. But again, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And remember a couple things, everybody, because it was a pleasure to get to entertain and educate you at the same time. But for some reason, my mind is still not clear. There's one more thing that I have to say. I just don't know how to say it. What do I have to say to these people? Oh yeah. Stay humble. And always, 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 always do numbers.